How's the angle? Right here, right there. Good. Alright, let's see what we could do, man. Alright, I gotta go up, over, and down. Maybe something, oh, no, a little further up. Gotta get past this AC line here. Pull this guy there. Alright, let's go forward. Alright, this has to clear that. That has to clear that. So I gotta back out just to see here. Alright, am I good there? Yeah, that'll clear there. That should clear there. Oh, and it fucking rolled. Well, let's see. Whatever. Let's lower it a little bit. It's probably that little thing catching. Yep. Alright. Alright, how much? That thing's a pain in the ass. Well, there we go. I'll just tilt it a little bit. Like that. Alright, we are in. After about 20 minutes of fighting the exhaust, the axles that mount down below, we're pretty much lined up here. And we're lined up pretty good right here. So we're going to put those bolts in, tighten them up. This side's pretty much down. That side's going to bring the engine up a little bit. Then we'll be able to lift the engine, or lift the car out, or lift the car up, excuse me. Take this whole table out of here, and then I can work on my seat and just pull the harness over and just freaking continue and get this damn car out of my life. Woo! Very good. Well, look at where we are, ladies and gentlemen. The engine's in. We got some of our harness installed. We have the exhaust just hanging right here. We are so close, but we still have a little bit to go. And you know what? It's the end of the day. I'll see you tomorrow. Well, we're back at it in the AM. I did do a little work this morning, as you could see. We got a lot of our lines ran and mounted. We got our AC lines mounted up. Still got to put an oil filter on. The harness is ran. This guy has to go. I got to figure out where that guy goes. I'm not sure if he goes right there or is supposed to be routed there, but we're still going. Still got to connect this, but I still got something over here I have to connect from the airbox. Had a double check on these connections and all data. I have the transmission selector disconnected, so I could still have this thing in neutral because I still have to attach the axles to the transmission. Starter is installed, harness is installed, ground strap is installed. Coolant lines are in. Most of the secondary air is installed. We're close, man. we are close. So now I'm just going to double check some things, and we're going to continue. I could probably, yeah, those are down. This one's up because I may have to maneuver it. That one's down. This is our mass airflow. So next we're going to put in our battery box. We're going to put in our air box. Intake tubes, charge tube. And then we should be ready for the front clip. Very good. Look at where we are now. Battery box, air box. Everything's pretty much installed. Hardware wise, we got axles here. I believe that goes to the front bumper. That holds on the whole support, the front clip. That's the AC condenser. And then I think that's underneath the vehicle. And that's the front bumper. Those AC caps. I'm not really sure where these go. I might be left with 2 OTS bolts. I'm not sure. We're only using one of these. We're not using that because the junkyard transmission came with one on it. So I just have to reconnect that. But I have the transmission still in neutral. And my dumbass just screwed myself because now I no longer have access. Oh, no, there we go. I can get it through here. Okay. That would have really sucked if I had to take this airbox out just to put the transmission cable onto the transmission. Alright, we avoided that. I know where these go. There was 2 others where I wasn't sure. Oh, no, yeah, they went down to the turbo. They went down to the solenoid. So yeah, this is our hood release cable. That's going to be one of the headlights. That's going to be one of the headlights. That's going to be markers, probably fog lights. Same for this side. This is going to go that way. This is going to go to the auxiliary electric fans, radiator. Alright, cool. I think we're ready to put this front clip on. Let's put that right there for now. Alright, so it should just slip on in. I gotta lower this just a hair, a C hair. And yes, that is an actual measurement. This is going to go right there. Hopefully we got to come over just. Alright, those line up. I think I'm there. Hold on, let's get the hardware. These 4 are going to go here. So if these line up and the headlights kind of line up and this lines up and that lines up, these should line up too. Let's see. Oh, now we got to lift the body up a little bit. We're getting close. You know, before fitting the bumper or the front cover back on, or excuse me, damn, to hold this whole freaking support, I probably should have plugged in my headlights. First freaking Goomba move of this job. Headlight connected. Crash zone sensor connected. Headlight connected. Connected. That's where those 2 connectors went. Now when I push this back into the vehicle, I'm going to make my radiator connection. And then we could continue to put this freaking front clip back on the car. Alright, let's do this again. There temporarily. Get one over here temporarily. Let's make our connection at our radiator. That snap noise is a good noise. Alright, we'll lift the body up a little bit. and we'll finish installing this. Very good. Looky, looky, I got hooky. Look at where I am. Just look at it. Finally, I'm ready to put freaking fluids and refrigerant in this vehicle. It's been a long time coming. It really has, man. Like, I hope everything goes well. Fingers are crossed. Alright guys, AC refrigerant is in. Coolant system is filled and currently holding pressure. I ate lunch. I set it to 15 and it's still on 15 pounds, so that's very good. I looked up in all data where the fuel pump relay or fuse is, and I really couldn't find much. So what I'm going to do to prime the system, I took the fuel feed off to the high pressure fuel pump, and then that feeds the fuel injectors. So in theory, if I just set freaking tube here while I crank, it should just spit fuel into my bucket. It should. So I really don't want to freaking dry start this engine after such a extensive work has been performed. So I'm hoping that's gonna work. So oil's in, coolant's in. We're gonna get the battery in, and then yeah, we're gonna crank it, and hopefully it cranks, and then after it cranks, hopefully it starts. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the double and triple checks have been made. I believe we're ready to crank it. Giggity. I hope this is going to catch our fuel. I'm not going to lie, guys, I never did service to one of these engines this extensive before, and yeah, anxiety is a little real right now, but we'll see. We'll all see. Alright, let's see if it cranks. You know, let me just put it in the air. Alright, let's see if it cranks. Alright, that's good. Was fuel pissing out? Yes, it was. Alright, fuel system's primed. Ooh. Alright, it sounded good. I'm gonna crank it a little more. Alright. Oh no, that gas smell is me. It's the car, and it might be my ass. Alright guys, here it is. Contact! Where? Hold on, but it shut off. There you go. Oh my God, all right. Oh. It sounds good. Nothing. Alright, nothing leaking out the bottom. No abnormal noises. It's quiet. Oh my God! All right. Next step is to see if the tires move. Oh. All right, getting the engine started is only half the battle. Let's see if that wheel's gonna move. Alright, we're in drive. I don't hear any bad noises. Yo, it worked. Well, I still gotta drive it, but you know what I mean. Alright, how about the other direction? Ooh-wee! Ooh-wee! Well, damn. I gotta say, everything went well on the road test. Engine's running beautifully. Transmission, although it being a junkyard tranny, it's running great. It's going through every gear with no problem. But, unfortunately, one of the gaskets that we had to reuse because customer supplied all the stuff, well, that gasket is leaking oil. We have a vacuum pump right here, and the gasket is leaking oil, and it's pissing down the engine. Look at that little puddle of oil right there. F my life. But hey, you know what? Out of all the things that could go wrong with this car, I'm alright with this. Like, I would rather it be out of my life, but you know what? The car started, it went forward, it went backward, it stopped, it restarted. Oh my God, man. Well, yep, that's it. That's it for this video, guys. Please, if you don't know what to do, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content. So guess what? Go on a road test, and this thing freaking screws. It actually drives nice, sounds good, goes through the gears perfectly. Until this shit happened. Oh. ABS and track light. Freaking wonderful.